Take two. Good morning. This is Fadi Hemzi. It's 8:57 a.m. on Wednesday, September 2nd, 2020. Okay, let's go to econ data. That's what we always start with. All right. And ADP, how did ADP report? 8:15. We are past that, so let's see how that came in. That's a precursor to what's happening should be happening on Friday. 428. Bingo. Murray, this is not a good number, Murray. Okay. Hi, Dennis. How are you, sir? We're at 900 consensus. Prior was revised up to 212 from 167. We're coming at 428. Look at the range. We're not even halfway. Yeah. Hey, listen. There's a lot of problems out there. I don't care about the the market is not the economy. Don't confuse the two, seller. Only if somebody for propaganda would buy that argument. Factory orders at 10. We don't know that yet. What the number is. Let's look at what the consensus is. Quickly, we talked about this yesterday. Huge range. Prior was 6-2. 6 is consensus. 2 to 10. Wow. Okay. All right, Jack. Let's move on. Jobless claims of interest tomorrow. Of course, non-farm. What is non-farm show now? There should be. I don't think it's early. I think it's early, but by tomorrow you have these numbers change slightly based on that ADP just came out. 17314. That's below that range up to 2 mil. Yeah, I think it still is very optimistic. Yeah. Just look at the biggest problem we have right now: restaurants. Yeah, very difficult. Anyhow. Well, we made some mistakes. There's a payback. Yeah. Let's see. Jake, you're in. Bravo. Hi, Gary. Craig is in. Christian, how are you? Bob Grossi, sir. How are you, sir? Armando. Okay, let's go to this we're going to show later. All right, let me see. Change the size there. Okay, we're going to talk about this. Let's go to PMT. What do we have for PMT? We do not have PMT. Huh? Why? Well, we're going to open a few then. Sorry, guys. I should have had this earlier. There's your timer. Well, that's one I have to take out. I understand. Okay. And then here's. Oh, come on. Sorry, guys. Let me give a couple of more charts there. I want to get SQ. I'm going to get SP2. And then we're good to go. All right. No, SP1. Okay. So why don't we start here with timer? All right. New highs again. Pushed it up. It was a strong day yesterday. We're coming up. Still way below what you would expect advanced decline to be. This is a bearish signal there. But remember, we could be getting this for weeks. Remember that. History teaches us that. CI and CIDF, very positive. Heading up. Slope is good. Slope on color. Red and plus positive slope. All right. Let me go to Detrender. I want to show Detrender. Something's going on here with my screen. Once it got my attention. My bad. Detrender. That's a DT, this one. No. Hold on. I need to open this. Okay, there you go. Okay, Detrenders. Good day yesterday for transportation. No question about it. We had the outside bar. This was crucial for this to come back. We did that. Outside bar now, yesterday itself. Remember, in this chart, you could see trends had an outside bar day before yesterday. On Russell, we had yesterday, and then, of course, NDX is NDX. I mean, it just has nothing better to do than just go up. One day, this will adjust. If you go back, this looks a lot like December and January. December 99, January 2000. Nothing like this ends well. So you got to be day trading it or swing trading it very short period of time. SP1 Momo. Okay. Bye on the mechanical system, weekly and daily. Again, this has very simple logic. It's trend following. Okay. Just like who's the guy who owns Boston Red Sox? That's how he made his money. Trend following. John Henry. Yeah. This one, the SP1, I'm sorry, just a tad over 0.6, kind of a plus half sigma there. So very, very low in volatility. As you can see, the sigma levels are converging. This is crucial. Maybe it's coiling. We don't know. We're going to find out. Usually, of course, ES is less volatile than NQ. And then it's a smaller brethren, a faster version of that to create a signaling motion for us is Momo, and Momo is still negative. A sell is at a 10, a buy is at negative 10. We're nowhere close, very neutral. Non-new highs to report, only 39 out of 500. If you look at a better perspective of it, you see we're best for the week for 2 days so far. So let's see how today goes. Of course, nothing on the downside. Okay. Let me go to SQ, our favorite. Oh, mama. Is this good? Oh, no. Oh, mama. There you go. Okay. So it's a weird M in progress, and we're pulled back. So look like the boys maybe are all set what they want to do. It does not show additional buying activity in a day or so. We keep watching. Okay. I mean, that's what PMT should be done, like a daily stuff. Yeah. One more. We want to do TD. That's this is definitely time and digest. This is the 3-day VIX. I'm sorry, 3 months VIX, 91 day, which is long September. Remember, we just started September. So with the September contract long, short December has a net value of negative 5.53. This is also adjusted, so we've already padded the number. Without the padding, it would be around negative 9 or 10. In normal days, that would be extremely high. And so on the we had 1 sigma there. When it gets to 0, the bottom is in. We're nowhere close. Oh no, this is way too high. Yeah, because this numbers. I'm saying the market is too high. The number is too very negative. Yeah. Now the SP2, my favorite indicator, probably my oldest indicator, is at 89. Okay, and it was a while we didn't use it as much, but since middle of last decade. Yeah, well, since 2008, 2009, right after financials, yeah, because this is the third decade of this century. Yeah, we started as 2020. Yeah, in the second, since toward the end of the first decade of 2020, we've been watching it carefully. Nothing has been changed. We tried to modify it, didn't give us any valuable signal. We went back to what we had. It's 89, again, very high. It lifted yesterday. So could this stay up here too? Sure, it can, just like McClellan Oscillator. But all it's warning us is that this is a slightly overbought. Again, day trade only. Be careful what you're doing with your hard-earned dollars. It's not hunky-dory. Yeah, don't. Yeah, the market is. Remember, market discounts 6 months forward. So, to me, this says our problems are going to be done by then. You can make your own conclusion what it means about the election. Yeah, because the way we're going is non-sustainable. So there has to be a dramatic change. That's the way I read it. Anyhow, let's see. Is there anything else I need to go over that with you? No. We're good there. All right. So let's go to OTF. I'm going to go over what happened overnight. Oops. Yeah, there we go. Huh? No. There we go. This one. Come on, Fairy. There we go. Sorry. Okay. Here's what happened overnight. This is the 15-minute. Let's go to 30, where most professionals look at it. You could see we had a strong gap up there when the. I'm sorry. Why is it doing this? Huh? That can't be. Okay. There's something wrong there, guys. Hold on 1 second. Properties, regular session. No. This should be new. 24 hours check. There you go. That's what we want. There you go. And same thing here. What are you doing this for, you rascal? 1 second, guys. Let me fix it. Come on. Oh, here. Yeah. You go to properties, sessions, change to 24 hours. Who changed this? Tico, was that you? Yeah, he comes around, messes around with this. All right, there we go. So overnight we had a couple of drop off points around. No, that's yesterday. Hold on. Overnight was here. This is midnight. Yeah. We pulled up slowly. Big run up. Middle of the night. I remember there was some alerts off around 4 something, 5ish. I got up and I've been watching the downside. Never got into a trade. I was about to, but I never got into a trade. Of course, I was watching this actually more than that. That's ES. This is sharper drop. This is more milder drop there. Okay. Need not take a trade today. Here's the fractals on ES and NQ. Let's look at ES first. We have a support at the Kettler bands. Rally up very strong off of a Bijan band there. This obviously this mutes that. It's a slower look of it. And we're getting overbought here. This cross is coming up. This is already crossed. This is going to have a next, and this is going to come next. You'll see it slowly. It's like a wave as it gets to bigger block sizes. They come in. So we probably push up a little bit further. The game isn't over until the fat lady sings, and here's the fat lady. This is what you want to look for. So we're at 18 and 22. The CI is at 22. The smoother is at 18. Once we get around 25, 27 area, I think the ES is done for this leg. And given the rise it has had, just look at the levels. Just look at the levels. This is almost a 1,000-point run. I expect this to pull back pretty strongly. And remember, we've said September 18 is the problem. We'll see if that's true projection or not. Only time will tell. Where's that coffee? Here we go. Last chart. Here's our dear friend NQ. And I will show the Excel plus 2 per request of Nancy. That's probably why Nancy is up this early. So, yeah, sure. Nancy, you need to refresh. So you end up in the ES room. You're part of the test. The Kettler band is still holding. Pretty strong reading. Bounce off the MBS. Bravo. Now, what time was that? We don't know. That's about 11 o'clock last night. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I usually don't want to be around trading here. Yeah. Day before yesterday was bad, and I actually fell asleep early in the evening, and then Nader woke me up and said, "Look, I got questions for you." So we worked on the ES room, and not much. Pretty steady rise, slow, shallow drop. You can see what's happening there. This I marked this morning. Okay. Let's see. CIs are very low here. Look at how inside the Bijan bands are inside of Kettler bands. Okay, look at that. They're coming in. They're coming in. Not here. You won't see it. This is way too slow. But look at what we are here. Because remember, these guys are like Nimitz class carrier. They don't make it turn on a dime. Can't. They don't turn on a dime yet. They're gonna take their time. Why? Part of it is commission costs. The transaction costs are too high. So for them to get in and get out. So they got key areas. But because of the muscle they have, they can make things happen. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. Looks like you're in. Yep, you're good, Nancy. Bravo. Yeah. Anyhow. So what can I tell you? Watch the CI diffs. We're coming up on a diff here. So it's possibly maybe a cross is coming up. To me, it's very neutral here. Definitely do not trade first few minutes of the market today. Wait for this to give you a solid signal. Any questions for me? The ES room is ready. ES light room is ready. But we're going to put it into some tests this morning. By noon, we'll put more folks in there. And then tomorrow will be a first day. Okay? We'll put all of the light guys in there. And you get the Skype from here. And also Twitter, Admiral can write through from here. So that solves a number of issues that we have had in terms of comfort and ease of use. With that, I'm bid you farewell here on the recording. Let me post it. Our goal is to post these every day early, at least for a while. Won't be doing it forever, but for a while we're going to be doing it now. Thanks.